In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page name in Power BI. If you want to keep your Power BI report organized and easier to understand, changing the page name is a very simple but useful thing to do. Renaming pages helps make your report look more professional, especially if you're sharing it with other people or working with multiple report tabs. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to update the name of your page. To begin, open Power BI and go to the report you want to work on. Once you're inside the report view, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the Visualizations pane, along with formatting options for the selected item. From there, open the Visualizations tab if it is not already visible. This area gives you access to a variety of formatting controls, and in this case, it's where you'll find the page settings. After that, click on Format Page. This option allows you to customize settings related to the current report page, rather than an individual chart or visual. Once you've opened Format Page, look for the section called Page Information. Go ahead and click to expand that section. Inside Page Information, you'll see an option labeled Name. This is the field that controls the title of the current page. Click on the Name field and then type in the new page name you want to use. As soon as you update it, the page name will change. This is helpful if you want your tab names to reflect the content more clearly, such as using a name that matches the data or purpose of that page. And that's it. That's how you change a page name in Power BI. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to use short, clear page names so your report stays neat and easy to navigate. This becomes especially helpful when your report has several pages and you want viewers to quickly understand where to click. Now you know exactly how to rename a page in Power BI by opening the Visualizations tab, selecting Format Page, going into Page Information, and editing the Name field. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.